Maybe I should pause it so I don't get copyrighted. That is my absolute favorite MGK video. But to explain what's happening in this video, it's mainly for me to hold myself accountable. But I need to clean the entire apartment and myself because I look like a mess. And this is the only way I can think that will actually get me to do it. So, yeah. The first thing I need to do is charge my phone because I don't know if you can see that, but it's on 1%. And this is everything I gotta do. So, yeah, we got a lot of things. I think I'm gonna start with brushing my teeth and my face. So hopefully that wakes me up and charge my phone. So let's do that. Let's ignore the mess for now. We'll get to it later. It's fine. It's fine. We just need to be cozy right now. Perfect timing. My phone just turned back on. And I need to make a phone call. No. I don't know if that's ringing the right number. Hi, good morning. اشتقت نسقسي. I'm being redirected. Hi, good morning. Thank you, bye-bye. That was okay. I hate phone calls. I fucking hate calling people. So that's done. Yay! Now I just need to go to the shop that I just called, but it's fine. It's fine. That can wait. That can wait. Yay! Now I need to wash some clothes. Let's do that. Before I actually start that off, I'm gonna have a look around the house because I'm sure there's clothes lying around that need to be washed. So yeah. But first, there's clothes that need to be folded. Also, can we appreciate the pretty flowers Luke got me for my birthday? That are falling apart. Let's ignore that part, but look how pretty! Oh god, in this angle you can see all the mess. Ugh. Well, it's okay. We're gonna fix it by the end of this video. Hopefully. How about we time-lapse this sheet? Well, I got the basket because I'm trying to avoid like 5 drips. I still think it's not gonna manage because there's more clothes behind you. So yeah, we'll try. We can try. I still need to come back. That's right. Well, that's one trip done. Now I just gotta do that like 2 more times. And in the meantime, I'm gonna see if there's any clothes in here that need to go out. So hopefully I make less trips. So I got all the clothes in 2 rounds. But now I have this monstrosity to deal with. But we're doing good on time, at least. Oh. So I think I'm gonna put those in. So like dressers, wardrobe and all that. And then I'm gonna get breakfast. Because my stomach's starting to grumble. But I have overnight oats. So all I have to do is eat. Which is amazing. I love past me for that. So let's get these on with. Okay, so I cleaned up the floor. I cleaned up there. So those are like the clothes you wear once. You're not gonna put in the thing again. And I've organized this by piles. So that it's easier for me to just put them in their places. We're doing good. Somehow. We're doing good. Also, look at my new laptop case. It's beautiful. It's of ASOS. I can leave the link for you. But I love it. These are all my pants. Can you tell I like black? Well, that's done. Kind of. And now, all that's left is the things that need to be hung. Which I hate doing. This is just me. Is it like... I don't like hanging things up. It's just... Ugh. I find it so extra. But... it's gotta be done. So let's get to it. And then get to eat breakfast. That we did. 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 I'm not gonna wash the clothes yet. Because I remember that Luke's at work. Meaning he's gonna come back with obviously dirty clothes. So I'm just gonna wait for him to come back and then I'll put the load in. I can have breakfast now. Yeah, I'm having breakfast now. See? I love past me so much. Now I just gotta add strawberries. Oh, I need to wash these. Okay. Now we can get to cutting. Also, maybe don't cut stuff like this. Doesn't seem very safe. Cuts to me like cutting off my finger. No, but yeah. Don't do everything I do, yeah? So, this is the state we're at. I think I want more. I'll just cut up some more strawberries. Okay, yeah, that seems more reasonable. That definitely seems more reasonable, yeah. So that was like a full 2 hours-ish of getting shit done. So now I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna watch a couple of YouTube videos, because why not? And then I'll get back to the list. So.
Hello, Internet! Welcome to Film Theory, the show where the theories go round and round, all through the town.
I think I'm gonna nap. Like, considering this is the state I'm in, I think I'm gonna nap. It's 11:36, and I have an alarm set for 1. So if I do sleep, I get to wake up anyway. And finish the rest of the list, hopefully. I napped. I really should, like, you know, get up and go back to doing stuff, but I really don't feel like. So I think I'm gonna stay here for just a little bit longer. And then I'll sweep the floor and get it over, because that's like the thing I really do not want to do. So let's just get it over with. Okay, so it's a full hour later and I have done jack shit. I sat up and I folded this. So that's it. But Luke came home from work, so we had a chat and caught up a bit. And I think the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through these, because I'm insane and we get these magazines in our letterbox and I can't throw them away without reading them. Again, I'm insane, so I have to read them and then I'll throw them away and then I'll sweep the floor. That sounds like a plan. Mind you, when I say read them, I mean flip through the pages, and if anything catches my eye, I will actually give it more than 5 seconds. See, like, it's 2 pages of alcohol that I do not drink. So, it's 2 pages of kids' toys, which honestly intrigues me more than the alcohol does. Those are so cute. Wait. Those ones are so cute. And I have pregnant with them. That's so cute, the book. See what I mean? Intrigues me more than the alcohol. Yeah, but see, now I flipped through this, so I feel okay throwing it away. I'm psychotic, aren't I? I know, I'm sorry. But it's just the way this is wired. I just dropped down here. It's pretty much clean, so the only thing that's left to go is those stuff need to go into the bedroom, but Luke's sleeping right now, so I'm not going in there. And there's bags here. Oh my god, that's the chair. There's bags there that need to go down to the car, but I'm not going out. Well, I'm not going out yet, so we'll just take them out when we're going out to buy the last two gifts for this year. Can't fucking wait to get over it. I love Christmas, but it has its fucking downsides. So I'm just gonna chill for now. And yeah, that's the only thing left on my list. Showering, which I'll do right before we leave, and leaving. So we should be good. Okay, sorry, I'm just watching this video and I can't not talk about it. Is anyone keeping up with the Avatar stuff? Because I follow this creator, I don't know if you can see that, it's called The Avatarist, and they're really, really good. But there's a lot of stuff coming up, like next year and the following years. There's quite a few movies and plans, like from what is being teased, and I'm obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with everything. I just want everything out now. But yeah, please let me know if you're keeping up with that or if it's just me. But I can't wait. I can't wait for any of it. So I'm just chilling and catching up with stuff like that.
The middle of a community of people where you felt like you belong.
So I got all the videos that I wanted to watch out of the way, and now let's just do my French. So I just do my French on Duolingo, and it's actually really good. I'm on a 60-day streak. This is gonna be my 61st day. You have to go home before midnight. Vous devez
rentrer
avant minuit.
Minuit.
Hey. And there it is. A 61-day streak. So now I have an hour before Luke starts to wake up. I don't know if I should start wrapping presents or if I should just chill for an hour and then wrap presents in the evening when I have everything. To be fair, I don't think it's gonna need wrapping. I think I'm just gonna chill, but I might be biased. So. And we got our little out of the house errand done. I forgot to take down the bags I was meant to, but it's fine, we can take them out anytime. But now I'm challenging myself to wrap presents on the sofa because I don't want to sit on the floor. So we'll see how that goes.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play.
That is one down. And I got these little tags. I got these little tags when we went to Germany from Cologne. And they are of the cutest little things ever. So I'm gonna add like 2 blah blah from me and Luke on these. And there it is, officially I wrapped up. This one I think we're just gonna keep in the bag. I'll add some tissue paper to make it look nice. And it's just 2 other ones that I'm rewrapping. This is gonna be quicker than I thought.
Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire.
I lost the ribbon. Yeah. Found it. It's on my lap apparently.
Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing.
And that is is the last one also done. And my camera battery is flashing. That actually looks so cute now. Oh my god, I love it. And that was the last thing I needed to tick off of my list. So with that, I'm ending the video here. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for helping me stick to my list, even without knowing it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays. Bye.
So you can take what you want, go break my heart if you want.